Hi, this is Adam Gorightly, star of Stage and Screen, and I play Roger Person in the Bright Rectangle production of The Hill and the Hole, a film about high weirdness in the high desert. The Hill and the Hole is a madcap romp filled with fried dough trucks, Masonic temples gone south, and a town of tortured souls feeding themselves to the past. The film revolves around the misadventures of an archaeologist named Tom Digby who got more than he bargained for when a simple surveying assignment turned into a dance on the dark side. The Hill and the Hole is adapted from a Fritz Leiber short story of the same name and was filmed in late July and early August during the mystical dog days in various locales in New Mexico, Colorado, and Massachusetts. It could best be described as a paranormal thriller with a little Jim Jarmusch here and some Twin Peakishness there. But with all that being said, I think the film is unique unto itself, a mix of comedy, drama, high weirdness, and horror. Influenced to a certain degree by directors Ernst and Darman's interest in Forteana. It was a blast making the film, and while in Massachusetts I had the chance to hook up with my old pal Tim Banal, who plays the role of my fry cook assistant, Tiny. The movie also features a cast of young and talented actors that includes Liam Kelly, Kristen Brody, Brant Adams, Chris Dunlap, Matthew O'Donnell, Ricardo Burgos, William McLean, and a cool and creepy film score by Drew O'Doherty. Burial mounds, Masonic death cults, giant astral deities demanding blood sacrifice, fried Mars bars. What do all of these things have in common? You are about to find out.